My name is Tadgh Collins. I'm head of management accounting and ERP development here in Irish Dog Foods. We're a pet food manufacturer. We manufacture treats here in our Naas facility, and we manufacture dry product in two of our production facilities, which are sister companies, but resell through ourselves. We have 250 employees here on site. We have large export markets, so largest one is the UK, followed by the US, and that's where we see significant growth in the coming years. But we also export to South Africa and in Asia and across mainland Europe as well. Irish Dog Foods started using Herbst software in 2008 as part of a move by the Queely Group across to using Herbst in their production facilities. It was only used as a financial accounting package in the early days. And when I joined Irish Dog Foods circa 2015, that's when we started to look at the opportunities, what we could use Insight for across the business, not just as an accounting package. So in 2019, 2020, put together a project team. I was project manager. It was across the business, focusing on traceability, stock control, real-time data capture. And that's one of the big advantages I find with the Herbst system is its ability to be flexible and to adapt the system to the problem you're trying to address. We operate at human food grade standards, and we are subject, as I said, to a number of audits annually. The ERP system Insight here in Irish Dog Foods is a tool that's used by our quality team for all traceability and all intake through all our production steps and dispatches, not just from Naas, but from our warehouses in Germany and in North America as well. We have found it's been an extremely strong tool to handle the volume, so it has the capacity and capability to do traceability for a business of our size. We think we've done an excellent job with the resource we put in, but the real metric is the turnover and the increase in production that we've put through the factory, that we were able to achieve that with an ERP system. If we were on spreadsheets and paper, that would not have been possible. Herbst is used not just by ourselves within the Queely Group. We have a lot of sister companies that use it, and we share the knowledge throughout, so it's promoted within the group. Additionally, companies have come to see us use it. I always recommend to use Insight, as it's, as I said before, a very adaptable system to your business. It has changed how we operate, because before, in the past, it would have been Excel spreadsheets and Word documents. Now everything is in one place on the system. Everyone can access it, and it's in real time as well. So in terms of an ERP system, we would not be able to achieve that without the partnership with Herbst.